Have you ever found yourself watching others while achieving success and being stuck at the same place? I know I have. Today I'm gonna share a story of missed opportunities, regrets, power of taking action, and some actionable steps that can help you get closer towards your dream. For as long as I can remember, I have been learning a lot of things, whether it's about business, marketing, coding, science, personal development, then physical health. So I have been learning this because my thirst of knowledge is very vast. But despite of being dedicated towards my learning and self improvement, there was a one crucial factor that was missing, and that is action. And here's the story of the missed opportunity and regrets, and that story is mine. I started learning about digital marketing in 2018, and my main reason was I wanted to make money. So I searched how to make money online. I get to know about digital marketing, but the thing was I hadn't still got any significant result. It's been 6 years, but why I didn't got any result? Because I didn't took enough action. I was not patient. So I worked on an idea, and within 2 months I was expecting money, which was I now understand that it's not the case. If you are lucky and something happens, only then you are gonna get money in 1 or 2 months, but it takes time to get your money. So that's what I regret about why didn't I make any YouTube video, why didn't I post it on LinkedIn or Instagram or any social media, so that I could have got myself a personal brand that could have helped me get the results that I wanted to achieve. But now I'm going to share a story of power of taking action, and this is the story of Ishan Sharma. If you know, he's a YouTuber. He started 4 years earlier in 2020. He made his first video. He wasn't that much of perfect, he has some extraordinary skill. It was not that, but he took the action. He started with whatever he knew, and now he is at a whole different level than us. He has 1.28 million subscribers in his YouTube channel right now, and if I had taken any result, I might have gone get more subscribers than him, maybe just equal to him, or maybe around less than him, maybe 500k subscribers. But I didn't took any action, and he took it, and he has the results. And if you are thinking okay यार, अगर 4 साल पहले कर देता, then it would have given me proper result. But now it's too late. But now let me share a different story, and this story is about Rishi, who is a freelancer in video editing and photo shooting. And recently, just 3 months ago, he started his YouTube channel. He decided that okay, let me go in this world, share my learnings with the audience, and now he has got around within 3 months he had got around 6,000 subscribers. So it's never too late to start and create your own story. So here are 5 actionable steps that you can take to get closer towards your dream. Step 1. Identify your pain point. What's holding you back? Is it lack of motivation or fear of failure? Because you need to identify to overcome this obstacle. Step 2. Evaluate your learning habits. Whether you are actually applying whatever you are learning, or you are learning just for the sake of entertainment. And yes, this self-improvement content can also work as a source of entertainment if you are not taking any action. Step 3. Define clear goals. Write down your goals, both long-term and short-term, and be specific. What does success look to you? Step 4. Create actionable plan. Break down your goals into smaller actionable steps that you can take within a specific deadline or timeline, you can say, and hold yourself accountable to make daily progress. Step 5. Take imperfect action. Don't wait for a perfect moment like I will start next week. Yeah, I will start if I get this. Don't wait for that. Start taking action today, even if it's a small step. Embrace imperfection and focus on consistent action over perfection. I know it can be very daunting for you to take your first step, but the journey is worth it. You have to embrace your challenges, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. You can get anything in the world if you set your mind to. And that was all actionable step that I wanted to share with you. But before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip for you. Surround yourself with like-minded people who uplift you and inspire you. It's not necessary that they have to be in person with you. You can even learn from good content, like I have been learning from Ishan Sharma, Ansh Mehra, and there are many more YouTubers who make consistent effort to improve themselves and share their learnings with us, so that we can also improve. So you can also surround yourself with good content. You can join communities, attend events, and like meet other people who share the same passion of growth and success so that you can learn together with them. Thanks for joining me on this journey. And again, I would say that it's never too late to rewrite your own story. The only thing that's standing between you and your dream is your action. Remember that knowledge without action is just like a car with a fuel, like which can look impressive, but it won't get you any far. So let's commit to turn our action into step. Until next time, keep working on your dreams. Bye.